This is Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Burries versus Mole. You all are engaged, you've been together for 3 years, but whether this relationship continues depends on the outcome of today's case because you, Ms. Burries, have concerns about Mr. Mole's ex. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you've opened this case. Tell us what's at stake today.
Well, Your Honor, I feel like my family at stake. Mr. Mole is the man of my dreams. I love him dearly. I just feel like he opened my eyes up to different adventures, but I feel like everything is at stake because I still feel like he's cheating on me with his ex.
No, I'm not, Your Honor. I love her so much, and to the point that, like, I don't want to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I works a lot. You know, I work 2 jobs. Then I might end up having a little fun with my family, then come in late. But I do love her, and I want to take this relationship to another level. But in order for me to do that, I gotta prove that I'm innocent of being out and cheating. So,
and that's what you're here to prove today.
Okay, so Ms. Burries, what went wrong? You said you're concerned. What went wrong?
It's to the point where I told him, okay, if you at your family member's house, if you wherever you at, you can stay there, leave.
So what happened when you told him get gone?
He left.
All right, so how many days was he gone?
6 months. After he left, he told me he cheated. He admitted to it, like, after he left, though. And then this person that you got, that you say you cheated on me with, you got into a whole relationship with her.
Did you tell her who you cheated with?
No, ma'am.
How do you put the two together?
He told a family member, and it got back to me.
Is that correct?
Yes. I just was a changed man. Now I just changed my life. You know what I'm saying? Back then, yeah, I did cheat, Your Honor. I did cheat it. But when we got back together, you know, I changed.
No, you didn't.
So you all got back together?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Okay, but you cheated on me again.
Wait.
Okay.
All right, so Ms. Burries, the question of the day, why'd you take him back?
I love him.
Ooh-wee.
Why do you love him?
I mean, it's nothing that he can't do that don't make me smile. Yeah, we have our ups and our downs, but this is about the only thing right here. This situation is the only thing that's actually affecting our relationship, no matter which way it comes.
All right, so if you can resolve the issue between Mr. Mole and this ex, then everything would be great. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, I feel like he gives me life. I mean, my other family, yeah, they do everything, but it's something about him that makes me want to be with him because I know the type of guy he is.
So what makes you think he's cheating right now?
Because when he did come back, we was together for probably like 2 weeks. He started doing the same thing all over again, staying out late, still got the lock on his phone. So he told me he was one place and he don't be there. When I got tired of it, I asked, she was like, I'm gonna go to where I think he'll be at.
Okay.
So I went to the ex house. And what did I see? I seen the car there and he's inside.
What time of day is this?
It's nighttime, like
I just got off.
12, 1, maybe almost 2 o'clock.
In the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened, Your Honor, I was at work. I got a phone call from my ex and told me to come over there once I get off work. She got something to tell me. And I got there, we sat down, and she told me that she was pregnant.
And she thinks you the daddy?
Everybody thinks she the daddy. He the daddy.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Ms. Burries, what did you do at that point?
So I was like, have you had any sex? Have you had any sex with her now or then? He said no.
Okay.
But as soon as I get upstairs and having a conversation with her, she tell me that they had sex that same night.
She lied. She lied to get on her skin, Your Honor. That's what she did. She lied to get on her skin. She know how to tick her.
It
She know how
sounds
to push the trigger.
To me, it sounds like that she called your bluff. She's like, did you have sex with her? No, you go upstairs and ask her. You probably didn't think she was going, did you? And she marched right on.
I go up there.
She marched right on up there.
For, Your Honor. I knew she was going up there for. I know this woman, been around this woman 3 years. So I know what she thinking before she think it.
So after she tells you, yeah, we had sex, we just had sex, what do you do and what do you say to him?
I got upset, so I left.
Okay.
I'm like, I walked out. I was like, okay, I'm done with this situation. But not that long after, he wound up, was like, he want to be with me. He called me. He was like, I want to be with you. I don't want to be with her. I'm just going to be here for the baby. I'm just going to try to make sure I be a good father to my child with her. Next thing I know, he comes back. I get a whole inbox.
Well, hold on. So he comes back. You take him back.
Yeah, I'm thinking that it's an inbox from him, but it's an inbox from her. And I'm thinking she finna say some words, but she didn't. It was a whole sex video.
That was something old, Yana.
And
That's
I
old.
submitted it to the court.
Okay, you submitted this to the court, and that's what we have here.
All right.
Well, do tell.
This is a video, a very up-close video of a man and a woman having sex.
And he sit here and tell me all day, that ain't me, but I know how your area look. It don't gotta have a face to know it's you.
Yeah, and this will give you a very up-close view of what it looks like.
You are the star of this video. Yes or no?
Most definitely he is.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why are you hesitating to answer his question?
You made the video, not me.
Video.
He's saying it.
Okay, bring something old to the table.
If it's
Hold on.
What you tell me?
So you're saying, yes, I made this video. Yes, this is me in the video. But this video was made when I was with her 6 months before, not since I've been back with you. Is that what you're trying to tell the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, were you intimate with her during this 6 months period?
Which one? I mean, which one?
Let me do it this way. Let me clean it up. During that 6 month period, the 6 months in question, were you being intimate with the ex and Miss Burries?
I wasn't intimate with the ex, and me and Miss Burries just was talking.
So you trying to say we wasn't having sex?
No.
So you don't.
Okay.
I just going over there fixing stuff you wanted me to
Oh,
fix.
yeah, you're right. You was fixing a lot of stuff. You
asked me
was.
to, you asked me to fix the pipe.
Okay, were y'all
I guess you was doing
together?
pipes too.
What?
What? What did you say, Miss
I guess
Burries?
he was fixing pipes too.
I was.
Okay.
But Your Honor, while we been together still, they got a whole nother video that she sent me. I blocked her on one page.
What video?
She created a whole nother page.
Okay.
And I got a whole nother video. I got that video too.
She sent it to you?
Yes. She created another page and sent it to me right along with some pictures of her telling me, do you know where your man is?
Okay.
And
I submitted that
You
too.
submitted that to the court. My sexy zaddy sleeping good.
That video took like 4 months ago.
If it was 4 months ago, we got back together in March. So I mean, I think we're still in that little time frame.
It wasn't in that time frame.
This video is one she sent to you after he's come back to you and you've taken him back again.
Yes, sir.
Boy.
And Mr. Moore, is your testimony that that's old and you're not still sleeping with the ex?
I'm not sleeping with her. That's old.
That's your testimony. That's what you're telling this court.
Yep, that's my testimony, and I'm standing on it.
Well, you know what, Mr. Cutler? There's her side, there's his side, and there's the ex's side, and she is here. Why would you escort her in?
Yes, Sean. I'm gonna have you go straight up to the witness stand.
Hello.
Hi.
Good day, ma'am. How are you?
Good.
Would you state your name, please, for the record?
I'm THERESA BODDIE.
And Ms. Bodie, what is your relationship to Mr. Mull?
I'm his girlfriend.
You ain't his girlfriend.
His girlfriend.
You my girlfriend. This is my woman right here.
Excuse me. Let me talk to Ms. Bodie, please. You say girlfriend as in the current tense, not ex-girlfriend. You were saying you are his girlfriend.
Yes.
Ms. Bodie, how long have you two been a couple?
For about 11 months now.
Continuously?
I'll say off and on. About 4 months ago, me and Jamel got into it and he left to stay with Delvisha just for a place to stay, he say.
So he's not indicating to you that he is...
In a relationship, no, not at all.
Now, we've seen 2 videos. The one of him sleeping with you and you had my zaddy sleeping good. And then we've seen this very intimate video.
Of sexual intercourse.
When were those videos made?
A few months ago.
Were they made during the time that when he was with you during that 6 months or thereafter?
After.
So they were made after he moved back in with Miss Burries?
Yes, Your Honor.
And let me ask you this, why would you send those to her?
I just want her to wake up and realize that Jamel is with me. He's just using this woman and...
Using her for what?
For what she has, you know what I'm saying?
I work 2 jobs, I get my own money.
That don't mean anything. She's doing a lot for you and you're using her, and I just want her to wake up. I want another woman to do the same with me as well.
Okay, but do you want to be with him? But do you want to be in a relationship with a man that you're saying and testifying is using people?
Right.
But the answer is yes, isn't it?
Yes.
Miss Burries?
When court's over, he's leaving with me. I just hate to tell you.
You're confident
You
about
look
that?
broken. What is going through your mind as you listen to this testimony?
I knew it was true. I want it confirmed. That's the whole thing, no matter where it came from. It was his side, he was saying it was a lie. It was her side saying it was true. I mean, how can you believe any one of them when both of them lie, no matter which way it comes?
I sent you videos multiple
Baby,
times.
you could send me videos, but you just was telling me not that long ago that the videos, oh, now you're talking about it's new. Like, which one is it?
I sent you 2 sets of videos.
Mr. Maul, let me ask you point blank, and I want you to look right at me, okay? No, look right at me. Are you ready right now to come clean? It's out there. We need to hear it from your mouth, from your lips. Come clean right now. What is the truth?
That I'm not cheating.
You know what? We ain't got to play with this. We ain't got to play with this. There's an easy way to get to the truth. This court has done a complete investigation. At this time, the court would like to call licensed and certified polygraph examiner Dave Lawrence to determine, is he cheating? Rob, bring it out.
Dave Lawrence.
How are you, Mr. Lawrence?
Just fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. Mr. Lawrence, you have about 26 years in polygraph examination and training. Is that correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
You have trained other polygraph examiners so that they could become good at their jobs. Is that correct?
I have.
All right, Mr. Cutler.
And so you conducted a polygraph examination of Mr. Mull, and you conducted what's called a single theme test. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. We commonly call it the single issue test. It is the most accurate and valid test in our standard today.
So, single issue test for the single issue that we need to resolve today.
That's correct.
All right, Mr. Mull, your story's getting ready to be told. Do you want to tell it? Do you want Mr. Lawrence to tell it?
Tell what? Ain't nothing to tell.
All right.
You asked Mr. Mull 3 questions. You asked Mr. Mull, since moving back in with Ms. Burries, have you had sexual intercourse with Ms. BODDIE? You asked Mr. Mull, since you returned home to Ms. Burries, have you had sexual intercourse with Ms. BODDIE? You asked Mr. Mull, since returning to live with Ms. Burries, have you had sexual intercourse with Ms. BODDIE?
What was his response to those 3 questions?
He said no to all 3 questions.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined on all 3 questions that he was being deceptive.
It's not news to anybody. It's not news to not a person sitting here. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you had sex with Mr. Mull?
Last night.
Last night. Was he with you last night?
Nope.
Ms.
Ms.
Burries,
Burries.
I can't imagine what kind of hurt and pain is behind that expression. Can you share with us what's going through your mind right now?
I'm done. He could go on, bro.
All right, it has been confirmed Ms. Burris, let me give you some thoughts. You don't have to put up with any old thing from any old body. Do you hear me?
Because he's shown you who he is and what he is, and you're never going to be number one in his life.
Ms. Boddie, let me say this to you. If you walk out with him, you didn't take home the prize. And if I were you, I wouldn't walk, I would run from him and find somebody who's worthy of you. This ain't it. This is not it.
And Mr. Mull, you need to be truthful.
No, Mr. Mull needs to get gone.
No, he needs to be truthful. You first need to be truthful with yourself. If you don't want to be in a relationship, don't be in one.
Be a man.
Be a man, man up. Do your thing. Just don't hurt everybody else in the process.
Leave a wake of destruction.
Ms. Burries and Mr. Mull, we have counseling for you so that you all can have the tools and the mechanisms to move past this point and get on with your lives. As we say in this courtroom, don't cheat yourself out of a chance for a happy and healthy relationship. Court is adjourned.